Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification.
Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In the lesson of today, we are going to have an introduction of new tutorial series. This is disease prediction in machine learning. Actually, our system is deployed on Django. So it is machine learning and Django tutorial series. Yeah, actually something like that. So our system actually intended to take some symptoms from user, then make a prediction of a disease a patient may be suffering. This tutorial series will have two main parts. Part number one will be some L operation on a Jupyter notebook, while part number two will be deploying our model on a Django. Here, as we can see, our interface look awesome. This is disease prediction in machine learning, but deployed on Django. This is our home page. Here there is a form user can fill in his or her symptoms. Let's have a small demo. Let me fill in some symptoms I have. Let me say I have blackheads, Let me copy this. But you can choose here symptoms by scrolling down, right? So as I've said that I have blackheads, let me fill in blackheads. Let me fill in blackheads here. I have blackheads. Then after, when user will finish to fill in his or her symptoms, will hit prediction button. So let me hit the button. Now we can see a result is acne. This is the result of our prediction from our disease prediction machine learning system deployed on Django. But here you can see there is a note that user needed to make a prediction of disease several times. This means user will feel the same symptoms at the first time, second time, and third time so as to be satisfied with prediction. Let me show you something here. As you can see, this is blackheads, and usually someone who have blackheads is suffering acne. As you can see here, let me show you another picture. This is something which is called blackheads. So these two people are suffering from acne. Yeah, something like this. As you can see here, blackheads. Then a patient is suffering acne, right? So that's it. So let me make another testing. Here these are the symptoms of malaria from Google. As you can see, this is Google results. There is a headache, vomiting, muscle pains, diarrhea, general feeling unwell. So let me fill in these symptoms to check if our system can predict the same as the symptoms Google is telling us. So let's back here in a prediction. So let me see these symptoms, headache, vomiting, muscle pain, headache, vomiting, muscle pain, diarrhea, right? And I hope shivering. Yeah, shivering. Then after, we need to hit prediction button to see the result. As you can see, the answer is a patient is suffering from malaria. That's it. As you can see, a screenshot from Google. These are the symptoms of malaria. So actually, this is our project. We are going to have we are going to learn how we can develop disease prediction in machine learning and final deploy it on Django. So never escape. Keep on watching. Like, put comment, share, and subscribe for next video updates. I'll upload the next videos, as I have said that this is a tutorial series, so we'll have some series of videos, so thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, put comment, share, and subscribe for next video updates. See you in the next videos.
Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification.